In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule posts in Canva. We'll walk through the entire process from inside the Canva editor, so you can create your design and schedule it to go out on social media without leaving Canva. This is really handy if you want to batch your content and have it post automatically at the right time. Start by opening your Canva design in the editor, just like you normally would when you're creating or editing a graphic. Once your design is ready to go, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click that. When the Share menu opens, Canva will show you a few common options, but we want to see every possible way to publish. Scroll to the bottom of that panel and click See All. This expands the list and reveals more publishing options. Next, scroll down until you find the Social section. This is where Canva keeps all the social media scheduling and posting tools. Again, click See All in this section to view every social platform you can share to from Canva in one place. You'll see options for several networks. In this example, we'll choose X, but the scheduling flow is very similar for other platforms. If you haven't connected your social media account to Canva yet, Canva will prompt you to do that now. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in and authorize the connection. Once that's done, you should see your profile icon and username at the top of the scheduling window, which confirms that the account is linked correctly. Below that, you'll see a text field where you can type the caption or accompanying text for your post. This is where you can add your message, hashtags, or any links you want to include. Take a moment to proofread this, because this is exactly what will appear when your post goes live. Now look toward the bottom of this window. To the left of the Publish Now button, you'll see a small calendar icon. Click that icon to switch from posting immediately to scheduling for later. A calendar view will pop up. Choose the specific date you want your post to be published. After selecting the date, move to the time controls at the bottom and set the exact time you'd like it to go live. When you're happy with your selected date and time, click Done. You'll now see your chosen day, date, and time displayed at the bottom of the window, confirming your schedule settings. Double check everything one more time, your design, your caption, and the scheduled date and time. If everything looks correct, click Schedule. Canva will save your post as a scheduled publication, and it will automatically be posted to your social media account at the time you selected.